in the process of trying to spread this out, I spread it too far and broke it off. So I'm going to try a little plastic welding and put on a smaller so I can fit in a 2mm plastic rod. This is plastic welding. I'm going to see if I can repair this. Spin welding, plastic. What do you think? Am I crazy? Alright, wish me luck. We're going to try to hit the inside of this thing. Oh my god, I think it's working. Oh, beautiful. God, look at that. It's freaking brilliant. I could probably buzz that down a little. But, I mean, it is strong. It is truly strong enough. I know, it looks horrible, but my God. I've seen this done before, and it's strong. It really holds up. Alright, now part 2 of this was to give it extra life with the battery, so I'll have extra runtime. Yeah. So battery protection and the charger. I think I can tap into that. This is the positive connection, and this is the negative, and that's what I want to connect to in parallel. Okay. Good silicone wire here that I'd like to use. I'm going to drill a hole somewhere around here to hook up the battery. And this is certainly going to pack more runtime than this little guy here, which, you know, this is fine, but there we go. That's it.
Oh, there you are.
Oh. And if I drill through here, that should bring me up to where the battery pack's going to sit. So that's what I'm going to do. That's one wire. I think I'll drill 2 separate holes. That might look pretty cool. good. Now, for the battery, this is going to work out just fine because I have plenty of clearance to turn this on. Yow! See what kind of damage I can do. There we go. That's good. And with this little guy here, let's see what. Right. So again, I'm going to try it with pads first, see if it holds up. If not, I can always glue it down. Take them off. And of course, again, we tin. A little dollop. All good. All right. Magic. Now, I have a GoPro knockoff, which is this little guy right here. Okay. It's got Ultra HD, 4K, Wi-Fi, and it's except for the microphone, it works very well. But what I'd like to do is somehow get it in here around my little circle light. Is I measured and cut a little back brace, and the key to this is putting this in my holder. With it came a little clip that I pop onto the back like that, and then I can get in here and carefully do that. And this can be temporary. I can make it a little more permanent if I do that. And very carefully set it and forget it. Wow, you tell me. I can put it on a stand or pretty much do whatever I want, and this will run a long time. Pretty cool. Little slot there is for the button. Extended battery time. I believe that'll hold up very well. Then a charge port for charging my batteries. So there you go. And as always, I hope you learned something. I know I did. And please subscribe. It does help. Thank you.